Whoa, wait, did you see that? The Pi network just flipped the crypto script again. Out of nowhere, the Pi token exploded with a price rally that no one saw coming. We're talking an 18% jump in a single day, vaulting the token to over 73 cents. And that's not even the wildest part. The market saw a mysterious 5 billion tokens surge in circulation. 5 billion. But here's the twist, it vanished just as fast as it appeared. What's really going on behind this sudden Pi token rally? Are we finally witnessing the momentum shift we've been waiting for? And more importantly, is Pi about to be listed on major exchanges like Binance, Bitmart, or HTX? Okay, here's the real question. Do you think this explosive Pi price move means we're inching closer to a confirmed exchange listing? Drop your answer in the comments right now, and don't forget to check out my previous videos for the latest updates on Pi network developments. You'll find the links in the description below. And while you're down there, type Pi network to the moon and let me know your country so I can shout you out in the next video. Smash that like button, share this video with every pioneer you know, and subscribe to the channel to support us in bringing you more Pi network updates. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram and Facebook communities, links in the description. This video is for entertainment purposes only and not financial advice of any kind. Now let's get started. And just like that, everything changed in a matter of hours. The crypto world has its surprises, but Pi network, it always manages to pull something out of the bag when we least expect it. 1 minute you're staring at a stable Pi price hovering in that quiet 60-cent zone, and the next, boom, we're flying past 73 cents like it's nothing. That's a jump of over 18% in just 24 hours, and if you've been following the charts, you know how huge that is. But what's causing this fresh wave of excitement? Is it just the market catching a bullish wind, or is there something deeper stirring underneath the surface? Let's start at the root of this current rally. Right when the overall crypto market got a push, Bitcoin recovering above $103,000 and Ethereum slicing through $2,200, Pi followed suit like a rocket locked onto its trajectory. But this isn't just market sympathy. Pi didn't just tag along, it surged with conviction. The kind of move that makes you raise your eyebrows and whisper to yourself, wait a minute, something big is coming. We saw Pi shoot past its 20-day exponential moving average like it was nothing. That's not some random line on a chart. That's a level traders watch closely. Then came the real moment. It broke that sticky resistance between 66 cents and 67 cents. The trading volume backed it up. It wasn't just a few lucky buys, this was massive demand, and it showed in the strength of the breakout. Now the eyes of every serious trader are locked on one question. Can Pi maintain this breakout and climb toward that tempting 85 cents to $1 range? If it does, then we're not just looking at another flash-in-the-pan pump. We're possibly witnessing the beginning of a real price structure forming as Pi approaches exchange readiness. And if that happens, well, you know what comes next. But just when the charts were giving us all the reasons to be excited, the network decided to throw a wild curveball. Out of nowhere, the circulating supply of Pi tokens took a massive spike. And I mean massive. 5 billion new tokens appeared in circulation. That's not a typo. 5 billion. Jumping from 7 billion to 12 billion. But then, poof, it vanished just as quickly as it arrived. For a brief moment, panic and excitement raced through the community. People started checking wallets, scanning exchanges, looking for any signs of a dump or manipulation, but nothing. The exchange supply didn't change. Everything stayed put on the surface. So what was that about? According to Dr. Altcoin, yes, the same analyst who's been tracking this like a hawk, this may have been a stress test. Not a bug, not a hack, but a calculated, quiet test of a newly created 5 billion Pi token liquidity pool. You heard that right, liquidity pool. That term alone has everyone buzzing. Why? Because it hints at preparation. It screams something is coming, and the timing couldn't be more suspicious. Theories began to stack up. Some say the Pi core team is finalizing the mechanisms behind exchange integration. Others believe this 5 billion token test was a dry run to see how the network would handle a massive token activation event, especially in preparation for something major like Binance or HTX onboarding. And guess what? Those names, Binance, Bitmart, and HTX, are not being thrown around randomly anymore. These aren't just rumors anymore. Analysts are connecting the dots, and many are convinced listings might actually be in motion. And here's where things get even spicier. Dr. Altcoin believes that the PI token might stabilize around $1 by May 14th. And after that, buckle up. By the end of August, if listings go live and confidence returns full throttle, he predicts a potential surge to $2. Now before you roll your eyes and say just another price prediction, think about this. When a token's volume jumps nearly 170% overnight, breaks a major resistance, and sneaks in a 5 billion liquidity trial without affecting exchange balance, you know they're cooking something behind closed doors. The truth is, Pi Network has always been more cautious than most crypto projects. They don't rush listings, they don't run flashy ads, they build from within. And if this sudden token spike and price rally are signs of internal mechanics gearing up, we might just be seeing the gears turning for the long-awaited transition to full open mainnet exposure on external exchanges. This isn't just about charts anymore, it's about momentum building with purpose, a community that's preparing for something much bigger, and the anticipation of a major reveal that could redefine everything. While some skeptics dismiss this surge as emotional hype or another echo of Bitcoin's early patterns, the truth is that Pi isn't here to mimic, it's here to lead with intent. Each price movement isn't random, it's a signal, a chapter in a much larger narrative unfolding before our eyes. This isn't speculation, it's evolution, and all signs now point toward true price discovery finally coming into focus. This is the same Pi token that went from obscurity to exchange talk in under a year, quietly building utility while others chase hype. With rising volume, strategic supply movements, and a clean breakout, the signs are clear, something major is coming. Whether you believe $2 by August or not, you can't ignore the energy. If Binance or HTX steps in, this could be the spark before the wildfire, but let me tell you this. What happens next won't be about charts alone, it'll be about you, the pioneers, and how you adapt, prepare, and move. Because once that door opens and Pi becomes fully tradable on major platforms, everything changes. Your wallet, your strategy, your vision, it all evolves. So for now, stay sharp. Watch the charts, engage with your fellow pioneers, stay connected to this channel because I'll be watching everything and breaking it down for you like always. This is the calm before the storm, and you don't want to be caught off guard. So to wrap it all up, here's what we've seen today. Pi token surged over 18%, breaking key resistance zones and flipping bullish on the charts. At the same time, a mysterious 5 billion token spike raised eyebrows across the ecosystem before disappearing, possibly revealing a hidden liquidity pool test. Analysts now believe exchange listings could be in motion, with Binance, Bitmart, and HTX all being whispered as potential targets. And if that happens, we might just see Pi climb to $1 by mid-May and even $2 by August. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. It helps us keep creating more Pi Network updates just for you. And now I want to hear from you. Do you believe Pi will hit $2 by August? Or are we still months away from full price discovery? Drop your answer in the comment section below. If you've got questions or want to add your thoughts, the comment section is open to everyone. Don't be shy, let's talk. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video.